In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save presentations in PowerPoint 2016 step by step. Whether you're working on a school project, a business report, or a personal slideshow, knowing how to properly save your presentation is essential so you don't lose your work. I'll walk you through the entire process, from opening PowerPoint to choosing the right location on your computer and finishing the save correctly. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow PowerPoint guides. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and typing PowerPoint, or by selecting it from your desktop if you already have a shortcut. Once PowerPoint opens, you can either create a new blank presentation or open an existing file that you've been working on. For this tutorial, you can use any presentation since the saving process works the same way. After your presentation is open and ready, the next step is to click on File in the top left corner of the screen. This will open what's called the Backstage view. In this section, you'll see several options like New, Open, Save, Save As, Print, and more. Since we are focusing on saving your presentation properly, we're going to choose Save As. Go ahead and click on Save As. This option is especially important if you are saving the file for the first time or if you want to save a copy in a different location. When you click Save As, PowerPoint will give you different location options. Now click on This PC. This allows you to save the presentation directly to your computer rather than to an online location like OneDrive. If you prefer cloud storage, you can choose OneDrive, but in this tutorial, we're saving it locally on the computer. After clicking on this PC, you'll need to select the specific location where you want the file to be stored. Click Browse to open the File Explorer window. From here, you can navigate to folders such as Documents, Desktop, or any custom folder you've created. Take a moment to choose a location that you'll easily remember later. For example, if this is a school project, you might save it inside a school folder. If it's work-related, you might choose a Work or a Presentations folder. Once you've selected the correct folder, look at the File Name field at the bottom of the window. Here, type a clear and descriptive name for your presentation. Choosing a proper file name makes it much easier to find your presentation later, especially if you create many files. You'll also notice the Save As Type drop-down menu. By default, it will usually be set to PowerPoint Presentation, which saves the file as a .ppxt file. In most cases, you should leave this as it is. However, you can change the file type if needed, for example to a PDF or an older PowerPoint format. Finally, once everything looks correct, the location, the file name, and the file type, click the Save button. PowerPoint will now save your presentation to the selected location. You'll notice that the file name appears at the top of the PowerPoint window, confirming that your presentation has been saved successfully. From this point forward, you can simply click the Save icon in the top left corner or press Ctrl+S on your keyboard to quickly save any new changes you make. It's always a good habit to save your work frequently to avoid losing progress. And that's it. That's how you save presentations in PowerPoint 2016 step by step. As you can see, the process is simple once you know where to click and what each option means. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint 2016 tutorials and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.